Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Mongolia. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and open description and click on eSIM links and open this voyafly.com. Alright, and click on this sorry. Right, open this page and settings high speed 4G, 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, alright? Choose a fixed data plan, 1 GB or 3 GB 2 week, alright. And click on this 2 week and click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code, ROAM tips. Click on apply and order discount ROM tips $5. This is the best. And click on Google Pay and buy SIM or write email, payment and billing address and click on Pay now and open new page and buy eSIM and send your email, QR code, eSIM, activation instruction and eSIMs work. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.